In this video, I will introduce a great strategy for everyone, and that will make learning English easy, especially for beginners. Okay, so many of us are often confused about what to focus on among reading, listening, speaking, writing, or vocabulary, right? So we should not approach these skills separately. Okay, so I'm here to help you improve your English. I'm gonna share a plan that will really work for you because I have experienced it myself. I understand your busy schedule, whether you are a man, woman, boy, or girl. So, we all have our commitments and limited time. So, I'm not gonna tell you to spend a specific amount of time for any particular activity. Okay, so it's completely up to you. It's all depends on how passionate you are about this language. So, before get started, there's a few things you'll need to dedicate about 1 hour a day, Monday through Friday. So my plan requires this time. Okay, if you can't manage an hour, you can use 30 minutes instead, but ensure you are making good use of that time. And other thing, you're gonna need to choose an English song, an English book to read, an English TV show, a pen, and a notebook. So if you have all those things, I think you'll be ready to start. Okay? It's important that you spend an equal amount of time on each: reading, writing, listening, speaking, and vocabulary. Here's how the plan works: that you'll need to do these 5 things every day of the week, Monday through Friday. So, on Monday, what you have to do is focus on reading in English for at least 30 minutes. Okay, read your chosen book and any English article or news. So while reading, write down new vocabulary words with their definition. Okay, spend rest of the time on writing, listening, speaking, other aspects. Okay, so remember, Monday is your reading day. So reading take most of the time, but rest of the 3 components will take small amount of time. Okay, so on Monday, to practice your writing, you can write out a passage from the book that you are reading. Okay, and to practice your listening, it would really cool if you could find the audio version of the book that you are reading and listen to it a bit. If you don't, so you can listen any podcasts which you can easily find. Okay, and for speaking practice, you have to read out loud the book that you are reading. So basically, spend 30 to 40 minutes on reading, and then rest of the time practice the other aspects. Keep in mind that Monday is mainly for reading. Okay, so now it's Tuesday. So what you have to do on Tuesday is your focus will be on writing. So spend 30 to 40 minutes on writing in English. Okay, so write 5 things you did yesterday or day before, so that you can practice writing in the past tense. Okay, and write down 5 things that you are gonna do tomorrow. Okay, so that you can practice writing in the future tense. And next thing is, go back to your notebook and write down few things that you like and dislike about the book that you are reading. So this is a really good way for you to start to express your likes and dislikes in English. Okay? Or leave a few comments in English on a few videos. This is a really good way to practice your English as well. And anyways, you all are feel free to write anything to practice your English below the comment section. Okay? And try to write about 5 to 10 sentences in English that summarize the book that you are reading, or summarize what you have just read in the book that you are reading. So look up any new words you find while writing. Add these words to your notebook. Okay? So Tuesday is for writing. Spend 30 to 40 minutes in writing only. And for reading practice, you read over the things that you wrote. Okay? And for listening practice, use the Google Translate. Put your sentences, click the little speaker button so you can hear your English sentences. Okay? So that you can practice a little bit of speaking. And balance of time, you can just listening to the song you chose during the week. Okay, anyways, that was Tuesday where you focus was writing. Now this is your Wednesday. So on Wednesday, what you have to do is you have to focus on listening. Okay, so spend 30 to 40 minutes on listening. Watch an English TV show, listen to an English song a few times. If you have the audiobook for the book that you are reading, listen to a few chapters from it. Okay. So this should be a great day. Most of these listening activities will fill your hour. If you still want to do bit of work, so you can write about the TV show that you're watching. You could write how the song makes you feel, and you could shadow or mimic what the actors are saying in the TV show, and you could sing along to the song. And during all of this, adding new vocabulary words in your notebook. Okay? And now this is your Thursday. So what you have to do on Thursday is I want you to focus on speaking. So for the 1 hour on 30 minutes that you study in English, on Thursday 30 to 40 minutes of that hour you should spend in speaking English. Okay? So the best way to speak English is, if you can afford it, this is well spent, it's really good investment. The fact will be talking to native speaker, you can practice every week in order to ready for that session. Okay, you do talk to about native speaker about TV show that you are watching and about book that you are reading. You will have lot of things you can share with them. And if you don't want to spend money and do not afford it, you can just talk out loud to the mirror or to yourself, and you can narrate your life, or you can decide any topic for that day to speaking practice. Okay, and you can film a video about that topic for speaking practice. Anyway, Thursday is the day you should be speaking English a lot. This is your Friday. Okay, so what you have to do on Fridays, you focus on vocabulary. 30 to 40 minutes you just focus on vocabulary. On Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you wrote new words and their definition in your notebook. So hopefully you are doing that. On Friday, you just to read all over the new words, you have to say them out loud. Okay, and use the new words in a sentences and just practice them till you have them memorized. Okay, so practice it over and over again. And now, weekend. So what do you do on the weekend? Well, there's a few things that you should do on weekend to make this English learning plan really work. You should find a new song every weekend that you can use in the following week. And if you're done reading book, find another one. And if you're done watching episodes of TV, find new one to watch. And or you just take a break. Taking break refreshes your mind and makes you better able to learn next week. So I hope this video was helpful. If you really like it, please give it a like and share it with somebody whom you really wish to help. I will be back with another such video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye.